And we're back at the legendary Moto GP course. I know, dang. Everybody's thinking, dang, Ground Mania, back with another video? 2 in 1 month? Yeah, I know, it's pretty crazy. So, I'm gonna upload these and then they probably won't be dropped ever again. Or, I'll film today and then not film for who knows how long. But, hey, we're by the Moto GP course, and so we have to set a few laps. So this video is going to be kind of simple. Moto GP rips. So we're going to just kind of figure out what's going to work, what lines work, and what don't. I don't know how to do a timer yet, but here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, first into second, slow down, I'm gonna stay in second. Roll on my throttle, lean it, okay. Alright, to the right, 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 to the right. Okay, to third, down to second. I'm not gonna go too hot because look at this stuff. This stuff's so slick. Okay, I could have touched 4. But I think I'm going to stay in third, because that way I don't have to downshift and I'm going to keep my speed up at the top end. Stay in third, roll easy. Downshift into second. Over here's my favorite part of these turns. I'm going to stay in second because it gets technical up here. Escalade's in the way, tuck it, tuck it, tuck it. See, the Escalade is in the way where you can go wide. I'm in third. In fourth. Okay. Down to 3, 2. Coming in kind of hot. That's a full 90. There's no way to go wide on it. And if I don't talk my gears, I don't know what gear I'm in, so I'm still in second. Oop, see? Am I in second? Oh, I'm in third. See? If I'm not paying attention, I'm just talking my gears. I'm in second. Down to 3, I was wrong. I was in third, I was bogging it. See, I got distracted for a second. In third. I'll be going slower this time on the second lap. Coming in line. Straight line. Down to second. Technicality for today, we're in third. Get the speed, late. Okay, we're in fourth. 3, 2. Down to 2. Yeah, there we go. Money. Last lap. Dropped to second, but it's okay because this is a wider turn, so I can stay in third. He just slowed me coming out of that turn. Coming in a little wide. Okay, here we go. Staying in third. Drop to second. Tuck in. Alright, here we go. Finish strong. I took the shortcut, which you won't have to go extra wide. Normally go with the Escalade, but now we're cutting this way. Oh, hell no. Escalade really slow to the race, so we're going to time on that, but it's okay. I'm in first or second. I was thinking, yep, first. Or second. Okay, that was a garbage finish. So that was, whoo, that was fun. That was the Moto GP course forward layout. Now we're gonna do reverse layout. I don't know what the time was on that. I don't know if that was fast or slow. Reverse, I don't have as much practice. And I like the flow of how forward goes. I don't know that way. And I really just like the, I like those turns. I'm trying to think right now for a hot second how would reverse go. Alright, I know how I'm gonna do it. Same start, and this is how it's gonna go. First time documenting start on a reverse. 3, 2, 1, go. Second. I'm gonna try to focus. I talked that lap. So we're gonna go this way, still enter, then we'll go this way. Great. Shift that wing, baby. Talk, leaning right, we're there still. Keep that momentum perfect. Have to go wider, but I was on the second, down the right gear. This way. I could have went to 3, but I would have dropped anyways. We gotta go this way. Down the second. Escalade's in the way. It's okay, we'll go this way, cut it short. Going second. Hitting the turn on the reverse layout. Make sure there's no security. Tucking it right. And I'm tucking it left. We're in third. This time I was going good. Now it's the second. See, I made it the second fast that time. I was able to make it. There we go. Get down to 3. Go to the second lap. Staying in second way more. I was just focused. That was my favorite section. We're still second. Now going to third. Stayed in third. I know I went wide, but I like that looking sus. I don't like how that looks. Second. Third. I could have went 4th, but it's okay. Couch at the second, I had to go in. Oh, I could have more momentum. Not good enough. But here we go. Finish strong on the last lap. Down the second, really nice. 3. Can I hold my speed in 3? No. I didn't downshift it. Oh, I went way too wide. I got caught on my glove. pedal not smooth on that second downshift, or downshift the second. Yeah, I like staying in second way more through here. I got way more control of torque. Oh, this is a fun finish. So you can finish way stronger right there. So that was the reverse layout. I don't know what the time is. I don't know. It looked like that was maybe about 6 minutes. I had 3 laps. 1 to 2 minute lap, and I'm believing. That's my estimate. I've never timed 1 lap because I don't have a stopwatch or like someone that stop the time, watch me, clock me. So I need to have somebody come and we can do it properly. But 1 lap, I think you'll be a lot closer. But you on 3 laps, you make it or break it. I think if you make a few mistakes, I don't know. I would definitely want to have some people try it with me. Escalade messed up the layout, so it doesn't flow and you lose some time. But it's okay. I had to hit the MotoGP course if I was out here. So much fun. That looks like that's security right there. So I was going to end the video anyways. That was the MotoGP course. Front and back, front and reverse layouts. Ripping it. That was so much fun. I need to get editing skills so I can put a time watch or something on there. Because that was a blast, and you know, there's no proof in how fast or if I'm going slower and how to improve. So that was a blast, and I hope you guys liked it.